So here's how to send large files on Discord without necessarily having Discord Nitro. First, you'll need to open your browser and then go to a website like WeTransfer or any file upload website. Could be Google Drive or mega.nz, any website you like. And then you can simply accept the terms, and then let's assume that you have some file on your desktop, for example, this Win archive. You can simply drag it here and then click make it expire 1 day or 3 day maximum for free. Then you can click transfer. You'll need to type your email. And then type the email again. And then click on transfer. And then you will receive a verification code to your email. You'll need to type that code in there. So I'm going to open my email real quick and then copy the code from there. Just put it here and then verify and send. Now let's wait for it, and then it will give you this link. Then you can just copy this link and go to Discord and then send it to your friend simply by pasting the link and pressing the enter. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.